The Moto E5 has just launched in India. While we are furiously testing the phone to get you a full review and verdict as soon as possible, let's first take a quick look at what you get inside the box when you buy a Moto E5 Plus. So this is the box it comes in with bright orange accents. Flip it over and you get some of the main specs of the device. The massive 5000 mAh battery, the 6-inch 18:9 display, there's a fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone and a Snapdragon SoC. Well, enough teasing, let's just open the box. So here's the phone, already placed in a soft transparent case. The screen comes covered with a screen guard as well, and thankfully without any printing over it. Let's boot up the E5 Plus and keep it aside for now. Now under that are the phone's warranty and other documents. Then there's the SIM eject tool. Finally, there's a 2A charger, a micro USB cable, and a pair of bundle earphones. Now back to the phone. The Moto E5 Plus runs on Android 8 Oreo out of the box. It has a 6-inch Max Vision IPS LCD display with a resolution of HD+, which is 720 by 1440 pixels. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 SoC and is paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. Now, the storage is expandable up to 256GB via a micro SD card. On the back of the Moto E5 Plus, you have a 12-megapixel camera with an f2.0 aperture, LED flash, PDAF and laser autofocus. On the front, it gets an 8-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture and a selfie light. Now there's a 5000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts of turbo power charging, which claims to offer 6 hours of usage with 15 minutes of charging. So this was a quick unboxing and a quick first look at the new Moto E5 Plus. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.